Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the extraction was not completed error hexadecimal 0x8096002A on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. First, we will perform a system file checker scan. To begin, search for command prompt in your Windows search bar. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and then press Enter to initiate the scan. If the issue persists, a simple restart can often resolve many temporary glitches. To do this, right-click on your Start button, select the option to shut down or sign out, and then choose Restart. For a more in-depth solution, we can try a clean boot. Search for System Configuration in your Windows search bar and open the System Configuration application. Navigate to the Services tab. You will need to check the box labeled Hide All Microsoft Services. After doing so, click on the Disable All button, then select Apply, and finally click OK. You will then be prompted to restart your computer for these changes to take effect. Hope this was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.